Guys, this is the public toilet in Australia. So let's look at that. It's like an elevator. Meron siyang pindot-pindot. Ayan o. I'll show you. It's public toilet. Meron siyang vacant, occupied. So nag-red siya, occupied siya. Close. Push to open the door. Sanitary disposal. Yan. So dahil occupied pa siya, antayin natin na lumabas dyan yung nag-CR. Then, I'll be the next. Diba? Napaka high-tech ng CR nila. Sa Japan, iba din yung CR nila. Dito, iba din. Parang elevator lang. Pindot-pindot. Okay, there you go.
Walang toilet paper.
It turns green. So, it's now vacant. I'll get inside.
It's so dirty. Kaya tayo i-video kay dirty.
Close the door. Let's close the door. The door is metal. Okay, mag-CR na ko.